Hello, friends. So, today's topic is the secret of being wealthy. So, let's explore it. Myself, Dr. Hemant Patil, I'm an internationally certified abundance mindset coach, and I'm on my mission to help 1 million people to achieve abundance mindset and live their dream life. So, what is the secret of being wealthy? Wealth or richness or maybe abundant? Do you mean all are same or is it a different? Being rich, having more money, or being wealthy, being more abundant? Are they almost the same or it's different? They're different, right? So, what do you mean by wealthy? Is it something like having more money, having more bank balance, cars, house, properties, or something like that? And what is abundance? Is abundance related to money or not related? In a very simple language which anyone can easily understand, is what abundance means: having enoughness in thinking or mindset about all the fields in our life, like health, wealth, relationship, or even spirituality. When it comes to abundance in terms of money, it means having enough in thinking and in mindset relation to money. So when we start thinking about abundance, so first stage is you try to increase your money flow, you try to increase your business, you try to increase your job income, right? You don't know about abundance in a start, right? So first you just think about how to grow your money, maybe how to grow your income, maybe how to grow your salary, right? And then slowly once you have little more than you have, then you may think in terms of investment. And then once you come above this level of getting more money and then growing money, then slowly you start thinking in terms of mindset. And that's what the thinking level shifts from just increasing money to getting your mindset right, so that that mindset will get you more money. And that is what the journey of abundance starts. So this is my definition. But when I started with my abundance journey, initially what I was thinking, even in the starting phase, what you think is you wanted to grow your money, right? And this is what a catch, because the abundance doesn't mean just growing your money. Abundance means increasing your mindset in such a level that your mindset becomes so congruent with the energy of the money that money just a numbers. Then you are not emotionally connected with money. So this is what the main journey starts with. So this is the first part. We cover in a second part how exactly we can proceed further in this journey, right? So see you in the next video. Thank you.